Upgrading your door is one of the most noticeable improvements you can make to your home. Whether you're replacing a worn entry door, upgrading to something more energy efficient, or installing a new patio door, professional installation ensures your investment performs the way it should. Especially in Dallas, where heat, storms, and seasonal changes put exterior doors to the test. If you've never gone through the process before, here's what you can expect during professional door installation in Dallas. Initial consultation and measurement. The process begins with a consultation. A professional installer will evaluate your current door, inspect the frame, and take precise measurements. Accurate measurements are critical. Even small discrepancies can lead to drafts, sticking, or long-term performance issues. In Dallas, where summer heat can cause materials to expand, proper sizing ensures your door operates smoothly year-round. During this stage, you'll also discuss material options, such as fiberglass, steel, or wood, and select finishes, hardware, and glass features that suit your home's style and performance needs. Preparing the installation area. On installation day, the team will begin by protecting your home. Floors near the doorway are typically covered to prevent damage, and the surrounding trim and siding are carefully inspected. If you're replacing an existing door, the old door and frame, if necessary, will be removed. Installers will examine the rough opening for any hidden damage, such as moisture issues or wood rot. Addressing these problems up front ensures your new door has a solid foundation. In Dallas homes, this step is especially important due to occasional heavy rain and humidity that can affect framing over time. Installing the new door. Once the opening is properly prepared, the new door is positioned and leveled. Professional installers use specialized tools to ensure the door sits squarely within the frame. This step is crucial. A door that isn't level can cause gaps and air leaks, difficulty opening or closing, locking issues, premature wear on hinges and hardware. The door is then securely fastened, insulated around the frame, and sealed to prevent drafts and water intrusion. Sealing and weatherproofing. In Dallas, where high temperatures and sudden storms are common, proper sealing is key. Installers apply flashing, caulking, and weather stripping to create a tight barrier against the elements. A professionally sealed door helps keep cooled air inside during hot summers, prevent water from entering during storms, improve overall energy efficiency. This attention to detail directly impacts your long-term comfort and utility costs. Hardware installation and final adjustments. Once the door is secured, the hardware, including locks, handles, and deadbolts, is installed and tested. Installers ensure the door opens and closes smoothly and that locking mechanisms align perfectly. Any final adjustments are made to guarantee proper function and security. You'll also receive instructions on how to operate and maintain your new door. Cleanup and final walkthrough. Professional installers don't just finish the job and leave. After installation, the work area is cleaned, and the old door is removed from your property. A final walkthrough allows you to inspect the finished product and ask questions. This is your opportunity to confirm everything meets your expectations. The benefits of professional installation. Choosing professional door installation in Dallas ensures proper fit and alignment, maximum energy efficiency, protection against weather damage, maintained manufacturer warranties, enhanced security. While DIY installation may seem tempting, improper fitting can lead to costly repairs later. A smooth upgrade for your Dallas home door installation doesn't have to be stressful. With professional service, the process is efficient, precise, and designed to deliver long-term performance. Whether you're upgrading for style, security, or energy savings, knowing what to expect during professional door installation in Dallas helps you feel confident in your investment and ready to enjoy the benefits for years to come.